we have given that x is equal 3 square root of 2 and 6x is equal square root of 3a. What is value of a? So a is in the second equation. So let me copy our second equation. We have 6x is equal square root of 3a. X is given. It is 3 square root of 2. So we can substitute x. So 6 we copy times we have 3 square root of 2. This is equal square root of 3a. 6 times 3 is 18 square root of 2. This is equal square root of 3a. What next? We have multiplication and we have square root on the left and on the right side. So I will take to second power both sides of our equation to second power. So I have to take 18 to second power. Square root we reduce with 2, so it will be times 2. This is equal square root of, so we reduce with power, so it will be 3a. So what next? Because we have here multiplication and we need to find a, so I would divide both sides by a, by 3 of course. So 3 and 3 we can reduce. And what else? 18, I can rewrite to second power that this is 18 times 2 over 3. This is equal a. So 18 and 3 we can reduce. This is 1 and 6. So we have 6 times 18 times 2. So we have 6 times 18 times 2 over 1. So this is 216 over 1. We don't have to write. This is our a. So we can rewrite that a is equal 216. We found a. So this is my solution.